Hi everyone, this is Sambam Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain details about what's new on version 6.7. First is some new quick actions that's been added. From now on, you can select Prompt Tags Quick Action. This quick action will automatically change tags according to the list you're at. For example, if you have tag A, B, C set on list 1 and tag XY on list 2, this quick action will show tag A, B, C on list 1 and XY on list 2. Switch will remove existing tags and change it to selected one. Add will add or remove selected tag. Another new quick action is Prompt Lists. This will show you all the lists available automatically. If you're in a smart list showing specific lists, it'll show you those lists only. With the board view, 3-column layout has been removed on iPad. From now on, you can simply tap a button to move back to 3-column layout. If you want to use it like before, you can simply tap the button again and it'll go away. Share Sheet has been remade to bring some more options while adding from other apps. Spotlight Search has been added. Tasks can be searched and be opened directly from Spotlight. You can turn it off inside Default, Settings app, GoodTask, Siri and Search, Show Content in Search if you want. Actions shown on Context menu can be selected inside Settings, General Context menu. And there are other bug fixes and improvements. Hope you enjoyed the update. Get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.